Did you know millions of people are locked out of investing? High fees and complex systems create barriers. But here's where Robinhood changes the game. It's a platform designed for everyone, making investing accessible and, well, easy. With Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, all with zero commission fees. This revolutionary approach has made investing less intimidating for millions. Robinhood empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. It provides the tools and resources to learn and grow your investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Robinhood offers a user-friendly experience. Join the millions who are already using Robinhood to build wealth and achieve their financial goals. Start your journey today and see how Robinhood can transform your financial future. Opening a Robinhood account is quick and easy. Just download the app, provide some basic information, and you're ready to go. Once your account is funded, you can start browsing investments. Robinhood offers a variety of assets, including stocks, ETFs, and options. You can research different companies, track their performance, and make informed investment decisions. Robinhood provides educational resources to guide you. Learn about different investment strategies and understand the risks involved. Remember to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain experience. Robinhood makes it simple to track your portfolio and monitor your progress over time. Before you start investing, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education? Having specific goals will help you determine the right investment strategy. Diversifying your portfolio is key to mitigating risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes and industries. Remember that investing always involves some degree of risk. It's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose. Don't let emotions dictate your investment decisions. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive moves based on market fluctuations. Patience is key in investing. Don't expect to get rich quick. Focus on long-term growth and ride out market volatility. Section 4. Robinhood features. Empowering your investment journey. Robinhood offers a range of features designed to enhance your investing experience. Fractional shares allow you to invest in expensive stocks with as little as $1. This makes it easier to build a diversified portfolio even with a limited budget. Recurring investments automate your investing strategy. You can set up automatic deposits into your Robinhood account and schedule regular stock purchases. Robinhood Gold, the platform's premium subscription service, provides access to advanced research reports, margin trading, and other exclusive benefits. The app also offers a debit card that allows you to spend and invest from a single account. Robinhood's user-friendly interface, combined with its innovative features, empowers investors of all levels to take control of their financial well-being. Section 5. Take control. Start investing today. Investing is no longer exclusive to Wall Street. Robinhood has democratized finance, making it accessible to everyone. With its user-friendly platform, zero commission fees, and educational resources, Robinhood empowers you to start building wealth. Remember to invest wisely, diversify your portfolio, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Take the first step towards financial freedom. Open a Robinhood account today and start investing in your future. Your journey to financial independence begins now. Remember, the best time to start investing is now. Take control of your financial future with Robinhood. Happy investing!